Hey dolls, welcome back to your girl's channel. I am back with another Vlogmas video for you dolls. Today I have decided to just do the eye look for you dolls. You've seen me do my base 100,000 times. If you haven't, just click on one of my videos and you will see the whole thing from the beginning. I just wanted to concentrate on the eyes because that's the only thing that's really changed in the routine. So let's get started with this balm yellow and glitter look. Before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe dolls, like and comment. We are going to go straight into Rumour 0 from PLouise to get this base on. Using two shades for this look, I'm going to be using Keen and Shuffle to create this look. Just blending in that shade, the yellow Keen. And I'm now going into Shuffle and I'm putting that more into the crease. I'm just concentrating that colour more into the crease just to get that contrast. And I'm going to slide in this glitter on top of these shades. It's Fortune from the same palette, just to give it that little oomph that it needs, that this look needs. Just going to go back in with the shade Shuffle, go back into my crease and just blend that out nicely. It's like I'm creating a sort of cut crease, not an in-depth one, but just blending that in so there's just no sharpness between the glitter that I've just added and the yellow shade Keen as well. Now I'm going to go in with my gel liner, and this is from Collections. And sometimes I actually prefer using a gel liner instead of a liquid liner. I don't know, it depends on the look that I'm doing, but I'm using a gel liner for this look and it's going to get my wing on. Okay, well, you know, I always have to lube up my lashes before I add my falsies. So I've already done my top and I'm just going in and doing my bottom lashes as well. Dive straight into my highlighter from LA Girl Pro Concealer. This highlighter is called Champagne. I really need to stop doing all these ugly faces when I do my makeup. I just forget that I'm actually on camera and I just start making all these ugly faces. I need to fix up. Going in with my nude liner and I am just putting it in my waterline. I just think it really opens up my eyes. I love using this liner. I use it for basically all my looks. Going in with this lipstick is from Revolution London and it is in shade Ballerina. I'm not even going to add a gloss with this look. I'm just going to leave it with just the cream shade, just the more lips really. And voila, we are done dolls. So this is my quick tutorial. There's probably going to be a couple more of these quick tutorials for you, just showing you how I do my eye looks. Hope you dolls enjoyed. I will see you guys tomorrow for my next Vlogmas look. Before you go, press that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you nothing. And if you watch this video, you might as well. See you dolls in my next video.